Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 20 divided by 1 by 4 then multiply 5. Okay, so now is equal to 20. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 20 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Then multiply 5. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here also is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. 20 multiply 4. So is equal to 80 multiply 5. Now 80 multiply 5 is equal to 400. Okay. So the correct answer is 400. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.